But guys, check this thing out. Woo. Man, guys, a lot of work done under here, and this thing, awesome. Andy's got the hood tack on there, you see that? Woo. Absolutely awesome, guys. He's got it caged in here, the whole 9 yards. Damn, look at these Mickey Thompsons on the back of here, guys. Absolutely crazy. Let's see if we can get a shot from him down here, guys. Ooh, look at that stance. Oh, guys, that's awesome. Damn, get a good look under it that way. Man, oh man, guys, this thing is nice. Got the big wing back here, fire extinguisher. Ooh, he's got 2 seats with the racing harnesses. Giant bottle of NOS, guys. You see that? Whoa. And this thing is just built in here. You got the 2-tone stripes on it. Pro Street, it says. And it's a 66 Ford Mustang Pro Street. Man, so nice, guys. Let's get a look from it back here. Ooh, parachute and wheelie bars, guys. This is creeping. Jeez, oh Pete. Beautiful, beautiful Mustang, guys. Beautiful Mustang. Let's check his stickers out. Absolutely beautiful Ford Mustang, guys.